and we're gonna make us a flag today. I'm gonna use some of this wood that I had. It's already glued up, so I just kind of smoothed it out. Second thing I'm gonna do is paint this surface black that I'll be carving in. We're gonna trim this up now. And there we go. Put a round over on it, round these off, do this in blue, have the thin blue line, put a hanger on the back and finish it. Throw the old surf prep sander on here. Got the flag sprayed. Now I'm gonna do the thin blue line on it with epoxy. I've already got some of it mixed up here. I believe it's black diamond blue mica powder from the blue line. Mix that up and see what that looks like. Usually it doesn't take too much to go a long ways. Maybe. Be very careful not to get it everywhere. And just flood this stripe here. Oh yeah, it's filling in everything. And that just kind of brings it to life right there. And there you go. Simple as that. Now we let it dry. Turned out pretty cool.